Okay, kids, let me share my screen. Let me know if it is feasible. Is it visible, kids?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. So yesterday we were talking about pawns, right? So we will continue the same topic today.
Yes.
Let me write it for you. Okay. So far, we have learned about all other pieces. That is rook, knight, bishop, queen, and king. Okay. Now we are going to learn about the pawns. Okay. Pawn is the smallest piece in the army. Okay, white or black, both side. Pawn is the smallest piece. The value.
Sir, the king is the biggest, sir.
Yes. The value of a pawn is 1 point. Okay. There are 8 pawns in white army.
And in black army.
There are 8 pawns in black army. Okay. Then the home square for white pawns are A2, B2, C2, D2 up to H2. Okay. The home squares for black pawns are A7, B7, correct? C7, B7 to H7. So far, any questions, kids? What I wrote, everything understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So pawn is the smallest piece in the army or in.
Sir, I want to tell you something about pawns, sir.
Yes, Shubham, tell me.
Sir, if the pawns are even in the middle four square, they are not effective. It's
Yes.
still are not effective like their original ways. There is
Right.
no change.
Right. Good observation, Shubham. Okay.
I wanted to tell you that yesterday, but the meeting got over early.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Hi, Kashvi. So we are learning about the pawn. We are continuing learning the pawn. Okay. As we saw yesterday. So pawn is the smallest piece in the chess army. The value of pawn is 1 point. There are 8 pawns in the white army. There are 8 pawns in the black army. The home squares for white pawns are A2, B2, C2, D2, E2, F2, G2, and H2. The home squares for black pawns are A7, B7, C7, D7, E7, F7, G7, and H7. Okay. The pawn can move forward only. Pawn cannot come backward. Okay, is this clear, kids? Pawn can move forward only. Pawn cannot come backward. When starting from home squares, the pawn has choice to move 1 square or 2 squares. But once the pawn leaves its home square, it can always move 1 square forward only. Okay. Is this clear about the moving of the pawn? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
While moving, the pawn moves straight. While capturing, 1 second, kids.
Sir, it can go like the bishop, sir, while it is capturing, sir.
Correct. While capturing, the pawn captures opponent's piece on one square diagonal. Okay, is this clear, kids? Now, just to give you example, as I said, the pawn can always move forward. Okay, it can go either one square or it can go two squares when starting from home square. Okay.
Sir, can I ask? I have one doubt, sir.
Yes, Shubham.
Can the pawn kill from its home square if there's a black pawn beside it, sir?
Yes. Now say this is the home square. The black pawn comes here. Okay, so you can capture it. No issues. Even if it is in home square, it can capture if it is diagonally opposite one square. Okay.
Oh, because I got confused one time because before I moved, my dad told me even though there was a black pawn, he could not capture it.
No, you can capture it, and not only pawn, any piece which is diagonally opposite to the pawn, you can capture that. Okay. Any piece.
So, sir, we cannot even capture backwards, sir. So we cannot capture.
Backward you cannot. Backward you cannot. Suppose the pawn is here. Okay. And the black pawns are here. Okay. Now, because we know that black pawns are coming like this, white pawns are going like this. Okay. So, white cannot capture the black pawns. Neither the black pawn can capture the white pawn here because this is moving in this direction. This is moving in this direction. Understood?
Understood, sir.
Yeah, capturing the backward is not possible. Capturing the forward is only possible. Okay. While moving, the pawn moves straight. While capturing, the pawn captures opponent's piece on one square diagonally opposite square. Okay, diagonally opposite. That means only forward, not backward. Only forward capture is possible. Backward capture is not allowed. Okay. Only when it is forward, then only you can capture. If it is backward, you cannot capture. Okay. Is this clear, kids? So this is all about pawns. Any questions?
No, sir.
No? Good.
No, sir.
Now, let me stop for a while and let me have the exercise for you guys then. Yeah. The pawn. Okay, one more thing I am going to show you and teach you kids, that when the pawn reaches to the last square, okay. Okay, let me show you. Now, suppose the pawn goes forward. Okay. Now, as soon as it reaches to the last square, you have got choice. Okay. You get the choice to choose any of these four. Which are these four pieces, kids? The queen, the knight, the rook, and the
rook and
bishop.
the bishop.
Okay. So your pawn reach the end of the board. It now promotes to a stronger piece. So you can choose any of the piece. Okay. Anyways, we will learn more about the pawn promotion. But for now, just remember, if the pawn reaches to the last square, you can promote it to the piece of your choice. Okay. Now say, for example, if I take the queen. Okay. Now can you see, I want to capture this star. Okay. So I can capture it like this, right? I'll capture it. Okay. Now let's solve this. Okay. Let me ask this to Shubham. Shubham, what will you play? Your pawn is at F5. You are from white side. Okay. You want to capture all these stars. How will you do that?
We would go to first we would go to F8.
Okay. How will you go to F8? Can you directly go to F8?
No, we need to go to one square to another.
F6, F7,
Then F8.
Now which piece will you take?
The rook, sir.
Are you sure you will take the rook? If you take the rook, you will have to capture the stars, right? After that. So for capturing, you will have to come here first, then come here, then capture, then come here, then capture, then come here, then capture. Instead of that, if you take the knight, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, done. Only in 5 turns, you can capture it, right? But if you take any other piece like queen or rook or bishop, it will take more steps. So it is better to go for knight. Okay. Now, which star will you capture first with knight?
First, we would capture D7.
D7, correct.
Then we would capture E6, E5. E5,
correct.
Then we would capture C4. Then we would capture B. B6. Then we would capture A8.
A8, very good. Very nice. Okay, let's come to Arnav. Yes, Arnav. How will you do?
Yes, sir.
What will you play first?
I will play E4.
E4, very good.
Then D5. D5.
D5, okay. Kids, pay attention, okay. Because this is diagonally opposite one square, correct? Diagonally opposite one square. So you can capture it, okay. D5, very good. Next.
Then C6.
C6. C6 is also diagonally opposite, right? So you can capture it. Now,
Sir, I D7.
D7, okay. So this time
Sir,
D7.
I spotted something odd, sir. That I always get the hard ones while other kids get the easy ones.
Oh, is it? It's not like that. Don't think so. Okay, Arnav. So D7, right?
Because I use my brain so much.
Very good, beta. Very nice.
Easy.
Oh, this is for Kashvi. Okay, Kashvi, ready?
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. First we'll go to C4.
C4, very good. Now, kids, one question. Can we go to B4?
No, sir.
We cannot capture because while moving, we move forward. But if it is occupied by your opponent's piece, you cannot go there, right? But if it is diagonally opposite, and if the piece is there, you can capture it, right? That's why this is the correct one, Kashvi. Okay, what next?
Then we'll go to C5.
C5, very good. Now you have two choices, this or this. You can choose any one of them. Both are correct, right?
Yes, sir. I'll pick D6.
Okay. Next.
Then C7. B7.
Very nice. Next.
Next, C8.
Okay, and what will you promote it to?
Sir, the knight.
Why knight? Why not queen or rook or bishop? You can go for queen actually, right? Because there are only 3 pawns. You can capture them easily, right?
Yes, sir, the queen. I
Yeah,
pick
very good. Okay, for Vihan, how many stars are there, Vihan?
Sir, even the knight can do it, but it takes more to.
Yeah, knight will take more effort actually, more steps. Okay, Vihan, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What will you capture first?
C4.
C4, very good. Next,
Then D5.
D5. Can you not capture B5? Both are diagonally opposite, right? You can capture both. But why you decided to go for D5, not for B5? D5 च का मारणार, B5 का मारणार विहान?
मराठीचं तिकडेच मराठीचं
सर तिथे जास्त मारायला मिळेल.
ओके, इथे जर आपण B5 ला मारलं तर आपण इकडे ब्लॉक होऊन जाऊ, राईट? कारण समोर पॉन म्हणजे समोर स्टार असल्यामुळे तिकडे जाऊ शकत नाही आणि इकडे डायगोनली ऑपोजिट असल्यामुळे त्यांना मारू पण शकणार नाही कारण तिथे काहीच नाहीये, राईट? म्हणजे आपण इकडे ब्लॉक होऊन जाऊ, बरोबर? त्याच्याऐवजी जर D5 मारलं तर आपण पुढे सुद्धा जाऊ शकतोय आणि डायगोनली ऑपोजिट पण मारू शकतोय. आपण डायगोनली ऑपोजिट मारणार, मग याला डायगोनली ऑपोजिट मारणार, मग याला मारणार आणि इथे आपण पीस पण प्रमोट करू शकतोय, राईट? म्हणून मग आपण D5 ला येतोय. ओके, युअर आन्सर इज करेक्ट विहान. ओके, व्हेरी गुड बेटा. नेक्स्ट
D5, E5, D7,
Very nice.
C8.
C8. And what will you promote it to?
Queen.
Okay, queen. आणि मग काय खेळणार आता?
Sir, I know the answer, sir. B8. B8.
Then
Then B7.
B7 का डायरेक्ट येईल की क्वीन आता इथे B6 ला? है ना, क्वीन आहे ना ती, इट्स नॉट पॉन, राइट? इट कैन गो टू स्क्वेअर्स एज वेल. Then
B5.
very nice, Vihan. Oh wow, now this is for Shubham, this is for Arnav, this is for Kashvi, and this is for Vihan. Okay, I'll come one by one, kids. Okay, so let's start with Shubham first. What will you play, Shubham?
Sir, we will go to A4.
Okay, then
He would go to B5.
B5. Very good. Okay, Arnav, what will you do with this?
Yes, sir. T4.
C4. Very good.
Then E5.
Okay, you will go for E5. You can go to C5 as well. Okay, anything is okay, no problem. Okay, so you chose this. Very good. Yes, Kashvi, what will you do with this pawn?
Sir, first I'll go to G4.
This one.
No, G4.
Are you saying this?
Yes.
No, you have to play with this pawn only. This is for Vihan. Okay, So let's talk about this pawn.
Sir, we'll take it to d4.
Okay. And then
And then, sir, c5.
very nice. Very nice, beta. Yes, Vihan. This is for you. What will you play?
G4. G4.
G4. Very good.
Sir,
Perfect.
it is stuck, sir.
Perfect. Now what will you play kids? Anybody? Anyone can tell direct answer. Yes.
Sir, we will go to E3, then E4, then E5.
No, sir. Yes, Kashvi.
Sir, first we will go to E4.
Yes, you are starting from home square, kids, right? So you have choice to go 2 squares or 1 square, right? Now, if you have opportunity to go directly 2 squares, why will you take one more extra step? You will not, right? So you will go to E4. Then what next?
Then we would go to E5. Sorry, we should go to. Then we will go to 6.
D6.
E5.
E5, D6, correct?
D6. Sir, I answered first, sir.
Very good. No issues, kids. No issues. Now what? Now how will you do?
Sir, can I say? Sir, can I tell Arnav? Sir, I am Kashvi. Can I say?
Let's go one by one, kids. Okay, Shubham, what will you do with this pawn?
Sir, I want to make it easy for the other kids so I can make it. Sir, first we would go to D2, D3.
Okay, then.
Then E4.
Okay, then.
Then I would probably go to E. Then I would go to F5. F5 because I don't want, because it will, you cannot get to the the other kid's perspective. You can never get to that start.
Okay, so you will go to D3, then E4, then F5. Very good. Okay. Arnav, what will you do with this pawn, Arnav?
Sir, I will go to D4.
D4, and then?
Then I will go to E5.
Okay, you will go to E5. Is it correct, kids?
Yes, sir.
No, it's not.
Sir, if he choose. No, sir.
No. See, beta, now observe, okay? If you go here, okay, indirectly what you are doing, you are going to block these 2 pawns, right? They will not be able to proceed further, correct? Instead of that, if you choose this, you are not coming into their path, right?
Okay. But that's what I did, sir. I knew that if I just go to like D5, I will block all the other.
Okay,
kids.
Shubham. Yes, Kashvi, what will you do with this pawn now?
Sir, now you will take it to E4.
And what next?
Then you will take it to D5.
Very good. Okay, Vihan, what will you do with this pawn?
To F4. Then E5.
E5. Very good. Perfect. Now let's go for the king. Okay. Okay, Shubham. What will you do? This is the king. King can go anywhere.
So we will first go to D4. Then we would go to D5. Then we would go to E6.
Very good. Okay, Arnav.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, what will you do? You need to capture all these pawns, okay, with the king.
I will go to E2. No. I will go to E2.
Hmm,
I will go to E3.
okay,
I will go to D3.
okay.
Then I will go to C2.
Very nice. Oh, wow. Kashvi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, how will you capture these 6 stars?
Yes. First, you will go to D6.
Okay,
Then, sir, C5.
D5. Okay,
Then, sir, B5.
okay.
Then, B4.
B4 or C4? It will come like this, right?
Yes, C4.
Hmm,
C4. Then, we will go to D3.
hmm,
Then, E3.
E3. Okay,
F3.
F3.
And then G3, G4.
G4.
G.
Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Vihan. This is, which piece Vihan is this?
Knight.
Okay, how it moves? Which star will you capture first?
Fire.
Hmm.
First, go to C5. Then
Okay.
D7.
D7. Very good. Okay, Kashvi.
Sir, yes, sir, first you will go to C3.
C3.
C3. Then you will go to E2.
E2.
Then you will go to D4.
D4.
Then you will go to F3.
F3.
Then G5.
G5.
Then F7.
F7.
Then H8.
H8. Very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Arnav.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you need to capture all these. How will you do that?
Sir, D5.
You will go to D5 first.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then
No, sir. I will not go to D5.
okay, then
I will go to E6.
okay, then
Then F4.
F4, then
Then D5.
correct, then
B6.
B6, then
Then D7.
D7. Perfect. Okay. So this was important here, Arnav. Okay, Arnav and all other kids. Okay. This is called as decision making. Okay. Arnav had to decide actually which one we should go for first. Okay. Now, if you have chosen this, if you had chosen this, then you can
Sir, we
capture-
would take more space, sir. We
right.
would take more time.
Yeah, so you will end up here. You will not be able to capture the other two, right? Or otherwise you will have to again play something like go here, then come here, and then come here, which will take extra step, right? So what he did, he decided to go for this first, then this, then this, then this, and then this. This is the effective way, correct? It's not the thing that if you capture this, we will not be able to, okay? We are still able to do, but then we have to take one extra step like this, correct? Which is not the better way, right? You know, say for example, from here, Pune to Nasik, you want to go, okay? Pune to Nasik. So we can go like Nasik highway, the Bosri, Moshi and all that way, right? There is alternate route as well. You can go via Nagar, Aurangabad, that side, but that will be too far, right? Anywhere we can go, actually there are multiple routes, but then we need to find the shortest one, correct? When you go to your school, okay, say for example, if your school is in Aund or if your school is in Hinjawadi, right? So is that the case that there is only one road which goes to school? No, there are multiple roads, but then what we do, we choose the one which is shortest one, correct? Or sometimes in case if there is traffic, more traffic on that shortest route, we take the alternate route, right? That is how you need to decide actually. So let's go quickly, Arnav. Can you tell again? I will go on playing.
Yes, sir. E6.
Correct. Fast.
Then F4.
F4. Very good.
D5.
D5. Very nice.
B6.
B6.
Then D7.
D7. Very nice. Very nice, Arnav. Very good. Okay. Shubham. Shubham, are you there?
Sir, I'm here.
Yes. How will you capture these 8 stars? You have got the complex one.
Sir,
How
first we will go to G6.
G6. Okay, so you are taking one step out first, then you will come inside again, right?
And then we would go to E5.
E5, correct?
Then we would go to F3.
F3,
And then we would go to G5. Then we would go to E4.
correct?
Then we would go to G3.
Okay,
Then we would go to F5. And then we would go to E3. And then we would go to G4.
perfect. Very nice. Wow, this is for Vihan. Let's see if Vihan can capture all these 6 stars.
First, I will go to F4.
There are 2 places you can go, Vihan, right? F4 or F2. Why did you choose for F4? Any specific reason? Why not F2?
Sir, I know the answer, sir.
Wait, let him think. Let Vihan think, okay?
Because we can't capture this.
Interesting.
Which one is better? If you choose this, you have again two choices, come here or here. Where will you go then?
To F4.
From F4, where will you go?
To G6.
If you go to G6, how will you come back for this 4? You will not be able to capture this 4, right?
Those are 3, sir, not 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh,
Bum.
yeah, I forgot that one.
You could not see that. Okay, Vihan.
Yeah, I didn't saw
Instead
that.
of this, if you take this route, F2, then you have E4,
E4,
C3,
then C3, then
correct? We are able to traverse to all the stars, right? So let's take this route,
But
okay?
there are
Okay,
2
Vihan.
ways, sir.
Yeah,
There
Vihan.
are actually 2 ways, sir.
1 second, Shubham. Yeah, yes, Vihan. Let's take this route, okay?
First,
F2.
I will go to F2, then to E4, then C3,
Okay,
then E2,
okay.
then F4, then G7, 6.
E6. Perfect. Wow. Who is remaining? Is that Kashvi now? Yes, Kashvi. You want to take this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's do it fast. We are only 1.5 minutes left.
Okay, sir. So, first we'll go to D5.
Which one?
D5.
Okay, B5.
I said D5, sir.
No, B5 is the correct one. Let's go. Next.
Okay. Next,
D5.
D4,
D4. F5.
F5, then sir
E3.
C6,
E3. Okay.
E3,
D5.
E3, then D5, then sir
D4.
B4,
C6. E7
then
and
C7,
C8.
and then C.
Anyways, kids, very nice. So we will stop here for today, kids. We will meet next year. Okay. This was the last Sunday of the year 2021. Okay. So till then, enjoy. We will meet in year 2022. Okay. Bye-bye, kids.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Good day, sir. Thank you for teaching, sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye.